Single-use Gastroscopes are awesome because case is over, I'm basically done. I can just throw it in the recycle bin and move on to the next case. With the reusable scopes, typically after a procedure, it takes about 45 minutes start to finish. It's long, it's rigorous, it's complicated, and you really have to pay attention to each step. And there's different steps that you have to pass before you can move on to the next step. I need to clean out the scope buddy, I need to clean out the medivator, I need to make sure all of that supplies is stocked, all the different chemicals. And that in itself is a very long process, making sure everything's ordered and in place, especially if it's a Friday for the weekend. By replacing the reusable scopes and using single scopes, it eliminates the whole cleaning process and I can better use my time. I'm able to focus on the next patient instead of focusing on what to do next with my scope. I look forward to using aScope Gastro in the future.